up YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Wait, let me get to it. I have notes today. I have notes for this video today. Now, the start of this video. Together we rise. Together we achieve. Trinidad to the world. Now, people, I have some great news for you guys. You guys probably know already, but I just fill you in and a little more. Make you guys know a little more what was happening yesterday. You understand me? Welcome to Tyrekevlogs, the Reaction Boss News Channel. Anyways, guys, so yesterday in Trinidad, around the time of like 3 o'clock until we're 6, there was a little gathering between the two different groups, the Muslims and the Z-Tech, Prince Swani and Tappy Boss. And there was a lot more people there. I got a list of some of the people who was there. I'm gonna give you all that. I was, I'm not in Trinidad already, but you know me, I'm gonna do my digging. You understand me, and ask a lot of questions. Okay, so guys, right now, first of all, let's just talk on the topic first, right? Because when I was just doing my reactions normally to all the different songs and all of that, you guys are saying me that there was different groups, Muslims, Muslims and the Z-Tech, and the nines, what do they call them? Mechanic? I'm not sure. I'm still can't pronounce the names good, but I'm just saying that there was two different groups. Understand me? Yes, and you was saying that there was lyrical clash going on and there was actual going on. You understand? I didn't know, but I did some digging and I kind of have a little understanding right now. But what happens today is like a major thing. You understand? Well, it's based on what I'm seeing in the news right now. So yes, and that's a positive thing. So I'm gonna put it to you guys so you guys know what's going on. Because some of you are probably living in Trinidad and I don't know as much as I know right now about the situation. So I'm going to give you a situation. I'm going to tell you what's happening. Okay? Now, who was there? First of all, location. How the hell do I know that? So we have, the location was in Nelson Street, downtown Port of Spain. Now, this is a Muslim community, based on my knowledge, based on what I had from my sources. This is a Muslim community. And I said it was like a meet and greet. You understand? All right. Now, who was there? Alright, so I know I saw this little video on Instagram first. It was Out There TV. You can check him out on YouTube. You have Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo is a bodyguard. People, I've been seeing this person, Johnny Bravo, in all like music video and all. I didn't know this dude, yo. I thought it was like a low-key artist or something, but I started doing some research and I see him everywhere with different artists. This is a big dude right here. Then we have Dr. V King. He's a manager. I think he's the manager of Tappy Boss. Yep. You have Glenroy Thomas, another bodyguard again. Big up yourself. You have Super Hype. Big up yourself again, Super Hype. You have Cyboss. Cyboss was there also. We have Leo King. Official was there also. Who else was there? Tappy Boss. Then no Tappy was there. Magic was there. You guys is spamming Magic, so I should react to Magic song. Guys, it's coming. Guys, they are coming. Oh wait, let's have intermission before I continue. So yesterday I only posted one video, as you guys can see, and I am strongly apologize for that. But at the same time, you all know it must be a reason why, right? And I'm telling you how, because you're the family right now. You understand me? So I quit my 9 to 5 yesterday, and yesterday was the 4th of July, and there was a little money making opportunity came up and I had to take it. And it was an all day thing, entire day thing, and I'm gonna do that again today too, because they're having something there again. You understand me? But I'm making this video and I have another way to post, so you guys gonna get 2 videos today. Now back to the story time. So now that's story time basically. So Magic was there. Prince Swani was there obviously. You understand? Meds Boss was there obviously. Yo, Meds Boss was there obviously. And Orlando Octave was there obviously. KG Music was there. And Reality King Rasta was there. And who else? Lawless Fort Jenna was there. Those are like all the artists that was there. Also the managers and the bodyguards that was there. Glenroy. You understand? Big up on yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. That's all who was there. So if you guys don't really know, you only see, most of people only see Tappy and Prince Swani. At the end of this video, I'm gonna like react to Prince Swani's live. Just to see what was happening, just to see, get a feel. I spitefully didn't watch it, you understand, because I want to watch it for the first time with y'all, I still got to do like a reaction kind of vibe to the video, right? Exactly. Which is a news video though. Yes. So yeah, it was basically like a meet and greet, and they just went there and just squash the beef, you understand me? Not really beef, but meet and greet. Show us a unity, for sure. Everybody that Trinidad, everybody in the world, actually say them are unite right now. You understand? Show everybody that they are uniting. You know? So don't go spread no blood in them name. That's what me I say. Don't go spread no blood in none of them name. You see me I say because them are one. You see me them unite now. So don't go to the war and say yo, you're this a camper, you're that camper. No. Them no want to happen. That's why they make sure so them do it that way. And the average person is gonna think about like is because of the riots that are going on now, why they're uniting and all. The obvious person, that really obvious. The average person is say is gonna just think say, you know what? Them come together right now because they want. You understand me? Them want come together return this and all that. Them as me I say. From my understanding, it's like a long time this will go on, people. You get me? Yeah. And I really like seeing that for him. I love that for real. You understand me? And yeah. What else today? I think I have a little news. Can you know some good news? I have information now. Alright, so I have a little more information. According to this. So you all know that. Well, you live in Trinidad. I don't live in Trinidad, but news sources say. Because trust me, you guys, when you guys watch my videos and you guys go on Instagram, yo, it's coming like some whole heap of news because this side didn't even realize this. But people be saying that like music from the Muslim camp is not being played on the radio and all of that. So what, like from this unity right here came out, you understand that happened yesterday? You understand me? I hope like, and did I give you all the date? The 4th of July. Imagine, it's like America independence, freedom, but anyways, but I heard that like, even you the viewers, yo, but like Muslim camp music wasn't being played. So I hope like everyone's music now start being played on the radio and all of that. You understand me? Go out there. I like the unity people. I know I love the unity. Me love it bad. Alright. So that's basically it, guys. I'm finna like watch Prince Wani's live right now because I know I wasn't there, so I'm finna just go check Prince Wani's live out. I don't remember how to find that again. But yeah. Let me know if I give the news the right way. Let me know what y'all thought about that. Alright? Now let's check out Prince Wani's life, guys. Alright. Noah. Unity.
Imal.
Yeah. Yep. Nigga, sleep at another around that sick. Hey! I remember my mom was reacting to Gas 22. Because I treat that I will get me some chains bro. I mean now I can treat that with my little teeny chick. What's that today?
Yeah, dog.
Remember this was in a Muslim community.
Trouble? No, let me take over this live a little bit.
Trouble?
Let me take over this live a little bit. What's going on? What's going on? We say unity.
Yeah.
We say music code and I'm proud of this brother here. I'm proud of this brother here. I have to say that on this live. We reasoning for the past so much. How long we reasoning now? Come in this live, brother. Wait, come in this live. Come in this live.
Yo, let's say big up to all the artists all our parts. I want to say, yo, you shout out to all of the artists them from Trinidad who really like take the time out to actually watch my reaction now because them man really watch me think them brother and now say I'm coming from me think brother you don't know brother I must say I really appreciate it like give me and say thanks like I don't know say I react to more music already you know remember
that's what I like. Yeah, what I have to say?
Two man
I'm proud of these brothers here. Yeah. I reasoning with this brother how long now? A little while now we reasoning.
Yeah.
On a different kind of level. And we say unity. We say love, we say peace.
Live in the flesh.
People was against it, and it happened by the grace of the Most High. All kind of people talk negative things, and it happened by the Most High. And we here showing we're not just black and ignorant, but we can come together for right reasons, the right cause, and stand for something.
Facts.
Fully bright. We're not done, sir. We're fully bright. You understand?
Fully bright.
So understand? Proud of these brothers here.
Reference to the song?
Everybody on this live. Right now. Love and peace and unity, brothers. Right now.
Yes.
Right now.
Lawless.
Blessing, brother.
Imagine, I know Lawless, but I've never rated one of Lawless.
So I ain't charge of this live, or?
Because man, so like, I don't know.
I ain't charge of this live. I ain't charge of this live. KG, you're out here. And next brother who always standing firm, by. Don't mind it, by. Standing firm foundation, brother. Yeah.
I started shit with this guy here.
For real. For real.
Stump it up now, stump it up.
We never had a pulpit to show it.
Stump up, stump
We
up.
know where we loyalty stand.
Real blessing, man. Look this man here. Meds.
Boss. Yeah, go let me know the man them, dog.
Trouble.
Just like a few days ago, I made a reaction. When I was doing the reaction, I see Meds watching videos. I'm like, people tell me who this is.
That's the guy.
All of you them.
All I need is them outside.
Oh, my bad, brother. Alright. Tip him. I tip in everybody, boy. Man, tell my charge of the life, brother. I tip in everybody.
Tip in everybody.
Where is it?
Yeah, mama. Take up.
Tip in everybody. Tip in everybody.
Tip in everybody, boy. I'm great obviously BT, you understand? And based on my based on my
right now.
Based on like my understanding, no war, nobody never kick off anything there, you understand me? It just peace straight through based on what I understand.
Outside. Tell them we know what he land out here to buy. It's hard to fall, you know. Everybody watch everybody outside here. Love right now on this scheme. Love right now on this scheme. Jelano, where is my? My brother. Everything good? Blessing. Jelano here. Lano on the live here, you know. Something coming.
Henny.
Yeah.
No, some artists now on the street and everything like that. Well, that's Jamaica.
Nah, police right out here.
Babylon them there. Oh yeah, I heard. Yeah, man.
Body out on this
Babylon scheme, right? Police forward. What am I play with it? So police them will come, and them couldn't even lock it down because them see what go on. You understand?
I a cameraman, brother. Hey, daddy talking here, right?
Yeah, they talking here, boy. Hey, what are they calling so much?
Are you real feel that way? That what you saying? What you saying?
I'm proud of this moment right here. Black excellence.
R.I.P. Lion.
R.I.P. Lion. You only man missing here. Well,
Plenty men missing.
A couple missing, yeah. Stand corrected. I don't know. We outside.
Well, big up, I get the dog, big up over the TV.
I know when I'm trying to get unplugged that.
Super high.
I unplugged that. I just was a plug. I wouldn't even
All my dogs have some ways about them.
Some old dog ways, eh?
They
I might make a feature on the TV.
He has some ways I don't like.
Some old dog ways.
I'm a brother.
And he was there, so look out for his video from the
But big up Super high players.
little get together.
I continue doing it.
He's gonna post.
Yes, brother.
Yeah,
When you coming for the interview?
Trinidad.
When you coming for the interview? Now that we on the live. Now that we on the live, when you coming for the interview?
As soon as I said I like your vibes, so
What kind of boys, it's that boy. I had you back long time, boy. I bring you for your first interview on 90 Plus.
Sorry that
Jack, I want to show Jack today.
love.
Yeah, Papa thing. We have to go
Papa
inside. I remember out here, there's some people.
Yes, boy. You out there. Bravo out on the scene too.
This man ever serious. You see this man now so much music video.
Oh, yeah.
Proud of this brother here, where I can't lie, brother. Reasoning the past couple of weeks. There's a different
Should I watch the full video?
energy.
Alright guys, I've been yo, turn the hair. That's the I watch the full video. Stay warm.
This one
Watch
will
this.
take-
Watch the full video. Turn the hair.
Yeah. Facts.
But I'm doing the right thing for all in all the video. What's me do the right thing?
Yeah.
Hey,
We will not fail.
you see the smile there?
Make sure I make up the
Yeah,
haters.
Oh, you can't stop me from smiling right now.
Yeah.
Will not fail. Big up Z-Tech. Big up my hands.
Remember,
Jana.
Z-Tech is not a gang, it's a registered business. So
I saw.
www.myhands.com.
Sorry, I apologize, Mr. Swandan. Because I was like, Z-Tech is like one of the gangs. I was say I said that. I'm sorry. I apologize. Because I didn't know at the time. Go on.
Pick up yourself.
Yes.
This
Wait,
one,
wait,
boy.
wait.
I don't know what we have to do with
Yes,
this
when
one.
I reach down the action, go stand
Sweet Peak, I don't know what we have to do
Come
with
on, me that
Sweet
sweet
Peak.
thing headache looking
Baptized.
motherfucker.
The baptized he cheat that.
It's funny that if we didn't have Trinidad, if I was in Trinidad, I would have to be right. We'd have to do this.
You so in the cunt. Yeah. Watch it. I was in a better. Yeah, I don't know, you know. I don't know, you know. Right? Yes, I.
Right? Let's check.
Bellet.
I tell them now. I tell all them now.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Right, you back up.
Right, back on.
Back up.
Yeah, what's going on? The power of life and death is in the tongue. The power of success and failure is in the tongue. This is why we speak positive only. Think positive thoughts, and this is the result. Use the code. Orlando Active sing it, Bass we sing it, we produce it, and we see it happening.
My question
We
is,
see it happening.
you know what? I ain't gonna
without
keep
me.
y'all here no longer. My question is, are we gonna get them collaborations now? Imagine. Are we gonna get them collaborations? Swandan. 9 bars, stop it. Let me know what I got. But guys, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Should I? Oh, I'm not gonna have the time to edit another video for today. You understand me? Because I'm telling you, I'm gonna be at the work straight all day. I'm gonna leave at like 1 o'clock in the night, like I did last night. You understand me? So yeah. But I'm trying to try and edit this right now. I'm posting it right now before I go. I'm gonna be late, but I gotta post that video on my YouTube. If you understand me, I try to say, yeah. I don't want to say I'm gonna post the video to the blah blah blah. That's not me. That's not in my dictionary. So thanks for checking out my video, guys. You understand me? I hope you guys really look into what's going on, and it's deeper than just them coming together because of what's going on with the police and them stuff there. You know, say deeper than that. It's best to open the pre that way. And me, when I come, I'm not from Trinidad. I'm telling you all this, right? So you must know. No man, them get a pretty no blood clot in a dog. You know what? Blood clot. Yo. Now get it the video. Big up on yourself. Thanks for checking out my video. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Boss. I'm out.